What's going on, my peeps? So this is a rant on what's going on. I swear our banks, our big five or big six, it's like they're all idiots. Like, I don't know if anyone ever has tried to call the mortgage relief hotline, but you can't get through, like literally. And if you do get through, there's a high probability that you're going to get disconnected after a few minutes because all the lines are just jammed, right? So these guys put out this press release saying, hey, we care about you, call us in regards to mortgage relief because no one should lose their home over, not getting a paycheck, et cetera, et cetera. And I'm thinking to myself, why didn't these guys just opt in, just do an opt in, right? Where if you have a mortgage, they'll just automatically opt you in for a 3-month or 2-month deferral program, right? And then they can play it by ear. So after 2 months or 3 months, if things get better, then they can, send you a letter or basically opt you out. But this way, they don't have, an overload of calls coming into their lines that don't exist. I don't understand that, right? They don't have the capacity to handle all these calls, but they're asking everybody to call. And what's so interesting about this is every one of these banks have online banking. And in their COVID-19 press release from the CEO, they tell you about how sophisticated they are, all this infrastructure that they have. And you can do mobile banking, you don't have to come into the branch. Why didn't they just put up a freaking link on their website to say, click here if you want to defer your mortgage payments for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, right? And again, they can control that as to who qualified for what. Why do they need everybody to be on the phones at the same time? That makes absolutely no sense in this day and age. Like, everybody should have gotten one of those COVID-19 emails from their bank. And if you go read that email, it talks about how sophisticated they are. But they're all idiots. Honest to God. Idiots they are. Right? So that's one thing. Why didn't they just put up a link on their website saying opt in? Why are they telling everybody to call them when they don't have the capacity to handle all these calls? And in my third point, and this is my rant, when they're trying to sell you other products, what do? They tell you, I'm just going to automatically opt you in. If I don't hear from you in 30 days or 15 days, then you're automatically enrolled. So it's just crazy to me what's happening. But anyways, that's my rant.